Hello, my name is Anthony Espinoza. I'm a contractor with National First Response Roofing and Restoration. I'm here to complete a repair test for Mr. Rafael Teran's roof for Nationwide. And right here you can see where I will be completing the test. I'll be using that shingle to replace this shingle that has creasing on it. And I will be completing the test for you. Yeah, there we go. So first I will be loosening the shingle, two shingles above, which actually already there's a nail that was punctured through this shingle. See, I'm having a little bit of difficulty removing this top shingle. There's already some material transfer on top of that one. Ideas. These are cannons. A lot of material transfer on the bottom here on the shingle that I'll be replacing. Remove the nails. It's proving difficult to just remove that shingle. loosen this top shingle to make sure that the nails are fastened properly. You can see just trying to remove this. There was some nail pull through. I didn't even touch this shingle on the bottom, but you can see the nail pulled through. So now I have to reinstall that one as well. Again, more nail pull through on this shingle at the end here. You can see the nail is still attached underneath. That does need to get replaced, but this shows that this has sustained more damage just from trying to remove and replace this new shingle. I'll continue to install. Also, creasing here, curved granule loss, and here, just from trying to get the shingle separated so that it can be properly nailed in. Once this shingle has been lined up, I will begin to reinstall the nails. So per manufacturer specifications for proper installation of shingles, there must be 6 nails installed, 1 on each corner, and 2 snake bites, what they're referred to in the industry. But again, you can see here there's material transfer from these shingles, from the seal, right here, and here. Same here. So that's the original seal, which has now been broken. I'll now begin. So the first set of nails will be installed on the shingle above the new shingle to secure this, and this one I have to re-secure because the nail pulled through. Sort of severe granular loss occurring as I'm hammering in this new shingle. Nailing the old shingle. Just a little bit of creasing there. These two were the pull through a curb. See, new creasing out of the curve. Now I'll install the nails. Shingle below, the new shingle. I've completed the repair test. The new shingle installed. You can see there was some new creases that occurred both on the top and bottom of the shingles. But you cannot also repair because of the just went blank, space decking. I'm going to remove a section of shingles here to show the space decking. There's a large gap that was close to here in this area when I went through and I looked into the attic space right here, the gable vent. It was a large, about 4-inch gap, which you could see, and I will show what those gaps look like once I remove some of the shingles and some of the felt. Thank you.